Example 3, we're going to take geometric application of the cross product. We're going to show that the points A, B, C, and D are vertices of a parallelogram. Then we're going to find the area of the parallelogram. So one way to do this is first, let's look at the vectors. So A, B, so let's find vector A, B. So remember to do that, you are going to multiply the terminal minus the initial. So terminal is B because we named that last, and then minus the initial A. So you can do it this way. So B is our terminal, so start there. 2 minus 5 times I plus 6 minus 2 times J plus 1 minus 0 times K. So this simplifies to negative 3I plus 4J, and then plus 1 minus 0 is 1, so plus K. Next, let's try C and D. So vectors C and D. So this is going to be, so terminal is here. So 5 minus 2I plus 0 minus 4J plus 6 minus 7K. So we get 3I minus 4J minus K. So what do you notice about vector AB and vector CD? Well, they're opposites of each other, which means that they are parallel, but they're just going in opposite directions. So now let's check our other vectors. Let us try now A and D. So let's try A and D, vector AD. So this will be terminal, so 5 minus 5I plus 0 minus 2J plus 6 minus 0K. So this will be 0I minus 2J plus 6K. And then now let's check B and C, or C and B, whichever way you want to go. So let's just do B, C. So this is going to be, so terminal is here, 2 minus 2I plus 4 minus 6J plus 7 minus 1K. So this will be 0I minus 2J plus 6K. Now they're the exact same, so we know that these are also parallel. So this is parallel and these are parallel. Now that we know they're parallel, we're going to have to multiply u times v. And so what we want to do is just pick one of these to be our u, and then one of these to be our v. Doesn't matter which one you choose. So I'll go ahead and choose this top one to be u, and then the v, I will go ahead and choose it. Well, they're the same, so u times v. So to find the area, first we have to find u times v and then find the magnitude of u times v. So let's do this first. So this is I, J, K. So our u, I'm using the top. So that's going to be negative 3, 4, and 1. For v, it's going to be 0, negative 2, and 6. Then we write the columns over. So I, negative 3, 0, J, 4, and negative 2. And then we use the determinant to help us in finding this cross product here. So this is going to be 24I plus 0J, and then negative times negative is a positive 6K. Then we subtract these products, go in this direction. And so this will be 0 times 4, that's 0 minus 0K, and then negative 2 times 1, that's a minus negative 2I, so we're adding 2I, and then this is a minus a negative 18J, so it becomes a positive J. So let's write this over. This is u times v, so u times v equals, I is first, so that's a 20, so 24 plus 2, that's 26I. J is 0 plus 18, so that's an 18J. And K is just going to be a 6K. Now to find the magnitude, so the area, we have to find the magnitude of u times v. So that is the square root of 26 squared plus 18 squared plus 6 squared. So 26 squared plus 18 squared plus 6 squared. And so this equals the square root. If you use your calculator, you would find its square root of 1,036, which is approximately 32.19. Okay, so again, we have to show that the points A, B, C, and D are vertices of a parallelogram, then find the area of the parallelogram. So I want you to go ahead and try this out on your own. Show that the points A, B, C, and D are vertices of a parallelogram. Then find the area of the parallelogram. So if you try this out, AB is parallel to vector CD, and that's I minus J minus 2K. And then AD, vector AD, is parallel to vector BC, and that's negative 2J plus 4K. So multiply U times V, you would get 8I plus 4J plus 2K. And then the area is square root of 84, or approximately 9.17.